Assalamu alaikum, this is Aisha Al-Hajar, midwife from AMAMNI Birth, and this is the Monday Midwifery Moment. I want to talk to you a little bit about conception today. There are some couples that struggle to conceive their first child, and I want to give you some advice, and that is, first of all, learn the woman's cycle. If you learn to tune into the woman's cycle, it's called fertility awareness. You can be aware of when she's able to conceive. There's only about a 24-hour window that the egg is alive in her body, but there's actually about a 1-week window when she can get pregnant, because the sperm can survive in her body up to 5 days before actual conception takes place. So knowing when her fertile window is, not that exact fertile day, but knowing when her fertile window is will allow you to have intimacy at the right time of her cycle for the best chances of conception. To learn more about fertility awareness, you can visit AMANIBirth.online. We have a short course on fertility awareness that will help you learn how to track and observe the woman's signals of fertility and increase your chances of conception.